Welcome back, learners. I welcome you again. My name is Atul Chabra. I am founder director of Enthuse Answers. Those of you who don't know about Enthuse Answers is an experiential marketing company. We do sales, marketing, HR, social, experiential events. This session is about event proposal. Event proposal is the key to make or break the deal. It is very, very important to get the right proposal. It is very, very important that we weave the magic. It is very, very important that we talk about what we want to say in the right constructed manner to our customer. Event proposal is based on 6 pillars. In the first session, we talked about 3 pillars, which is brief. Brief also means understanding the brief, evaluating the brief, getting the mission statement of the brief. The second aspect of event proposal is brainstorming. It is very, very important that we sit together, we do our research, we find out what it is required, what there are times that we do not get all the information from our customers. We have to create our own customers. We have to create our own information through research, through market intelligence, through past knowledge of what they have done, through what is available on the social media. That is brainstorming. Brainstorming has elements of creativity in it. I talked about that everybody can be creative. I also shared few examples of extraordinary creators in my first session. Then I talked about uh, weaving the magic, how we can weave our ideas in a purposeful manner to create an intelligent and relevant presentation for our customer. Now, the another aspect of event proposal, which is the cost sheet. The cost sheet is the heart of everything. Whether it's crisis, non-crisis, good days, bad days, loads of money, no money, it is very, very important to get the right cost. It is very, very, very important to get the relevant cost. It is very, very important to get the effective cost. So right cost, relevant cost, and effective cost. What is right cost? And a coffee could be for 500 rupees, a coffee could be for 5 rupees. A cup of tea could be for 250 rupees at a fancy 5-star hotel and could be for 2 rupees at the roadside tea wala, and both can taste the same. The right cost here means whatever is the requirement versus the cost sheet. What is the requirement? Do they want Taj Mahal? Do they want a 5-star hotel, or do they want a roadside hotel? It is very, very important to understand the requirement, whether they want a Shah Rukh Khan or a normal star, whether your customer want a decorator from Malaysia, flowers from Thailand, or it's regular flowers which you get in Jaipur or Kerala or India, anywhere in India. What is the requirement? How relevant is the requirement? In this scenario, it is very, very important to get the right cost. Effective. Resourcefulness is the key for any event manager. If you are resourceful, if you know what is to be sourced where, that's when you can get the right cost. You know which artist is the right for this particular event. Do you need a band which will cost you 5 lakh rupees? Do you need a band which will cost you 50,000 rupees? Or do you need a band which will cost you 50 lakh rupees? Or you don't need a band at all. It is only a DJ which can groove the party, and that can only cost you 25,000 rupees. So the right cost is one aspect, the effective cost is another aspect. The effective cost comes from the experience. The effective cost comes from your resourcefulness. The effective cost comes from how deep you have understanding of your backend. Whether you are in finance department, whether you are in operation department, whether you are in servicing department, whichever department you are in, it is very, very important to know the sources. For example, if something is starting from Kerala, and if you buy that product through multiple channels, you may, and the product is costing, let's say, X rupees, you may pay 5x if your channels are not right. In event management industry, it is very, very important to get the channels right. It is very, very important to get your resource right, so that you can send out the effective cost to your customer. The effective cost comes from your market research. The effective cost comes from your market knowledge. Something may be very, 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 very cost effective in the bylines of Delhi, that particular object may be very, very expensive in South Mumbai. So it's up to you whether you want to buy it from South Mumbai or from a fancy mall in South Mumbai, or the supplier who sits in the bylands of Delhi. That's your resourcefulness, that's your research. Again, like I said in my first session, keep your ear and eyes open. Anything and everything that you see around you can be useful in any of the event. An event manager is a highly resourceful man, whether it's resourcefulness of artist, decoration, sound, light, technicals, fabrication. Your effective, your rightfulness comes from your knowledge, from your research. So that's the cost aspect of it. Now I'll talk about the fifth aspect, which is event methodology. I would like to share an Excel sheet to explain that in detail. So I will revise the cost part once again. It's understanding the parameters, Excel and Excel, thorough knowledge of your supply chain. Like I said, you should be resourceful of your supply chain, focus on relationship. It is very, very important that there is a concept called return of investment in finance. There's a concept called return of engagement, which we use in our event. How effective you can get by giving the desired result to the customer. So this is the fourth aspect, which is cost and closure. The fifth aspect is the big plan, which is the execution methodology. I will like to share an Excel sheet to talk about in detail. So here you see any event before it is done at the ground, whether it's a small birthday party, whether it's a big launch, or it's IPL or opening of Olympic game. The success of event depends on the preparation. The success of event, of course, it depends on that particular day, how the pieces come together to create that magic is very, very important. But the success of event also matters and lies in how effectively we have prepared. And the preparation comes from the journey, which is based on the Excel sheet. So here is my master sheet, which I am sharing with you. If you look at this master sheet carefully, I am going to zoom few aspects of it. There is a pre-event. Now, pre-event talks about teaser mailer, e-invite, passes, branding. Then it talks about logistic. If it's a hotel event, if there is a requirement of hotel or buses or coaches, what kind of branding is required? Then what is needed at the hotel, what kind of table, chairs, activities, if there are any, the setup requirement, the stage, sound, stage backdrop setups, LEDs, MDF. There are sitting arrangement, there's sound requirement, there's LED, there's light, there's video support in terms of what kind of LED you require, what is the size. So each and every aspect of the event methodology is based on this checklist. It is very, very important that we invest in this checklist while creating a proposal, because there we know what are the important aspects that we need to bring in our cost sheet. What are the important aspects that we have to discuss with our customers so that everybody is on the same page. If you look carefully at this sheet, there is a creative checklist which talked about pre-event, welcome, activity, stage. There is a fabrication detail, there is a printing detail. It talks about technical aspect, what is required in terms of sound, light, video support. What do we have to buy from the market? What is the requirement? Is there any theme? Is there any gift? Is there any giveaways? What kind of crew we require? What kind of staff is required at backstage? What kind of staff is required at the airport, railway station, pickup, hotel? If it is at the stadium, what are the entry point? What are the exit point? If it is a wedding, then what kind of staff you require in F&B, decor, arrangements, the whole. Then what are the cues? How are you playing the whole thing? These checklists defines the whole aspect of the event. How effectively the efficacy of a proposal, it depends on how strong our checklist is, how strong our parameters are that we are considering. Basis this checklist, we can ask our client the right question. Basis this checklist, we can find out what is the need. Basis this checklist, We can find out what is the exact requirement of the sheet. It is very, very important to understand what is the requirement. Most of the time we fail, we do not deliver because we do not know the requirement. For example, take example of anything. For example, if it's a cricket match, now you need 80 runs in 90 balls, so you can pace your innings according to that. But if you need 80 runs in 70 balls, you can pace your innings accordingly. If you need 80 runs these days, with the T20, you can score 80 runs in 40 balls also. Then you need to pace, then the requirement changes. But if you need 80 runs on 10 balls, then you need help of God. Then no Excel sheet, no amount of preparation, no planning can help you. So it is very, very important to understand what is the requirement. What is the requirement? How have you decoded the requirement? So like I'll repeat, requirement, which is your brief, how you decode the brief, from brief to brainstorm, how you ideate. And like I said, anybody can ideate. Please do not think that you are not creative. There is so much of information, videos, knowledge, design, creatives around you. Please consume those information. Please go to YouTube, please go to social media, please go to Google and find out what is happening around you. Like I said, see a final product, try and create the brief. So here's an exercise that I give you. See any event or any advertisement or any design that you see, try and create the brief. Work backward, try and create the brief so that you can understand the value of the brief. From brief to brainstorming, brainstorming comes from creativity, brainstorming comes from research, brainstorming comes from knowledge. From brainstorming we come to presentation, which is how we weave the magic. These are individual elements, how you weave that individual elements to create the wonderful story. Fourth is your cost and closure. It is the cost and closure depends on effective cost, the right cost, which depends on how resourceful you are, which depends on what kind of what kind of research or supply chain you have. The cost depends on your efficacy, the cost depends on your knowledge, the cost depends on your relationship with your supply chain, the cost depends on your resourcefulness, the cost depends on your experience. I understand that most of you are young learners and you do not have much of experience, but you can increase your knowledge. You can explore the word. You can explore the word of decoration. You can explore the word of sound, light. There are enough information, data suppliers around you. You can speak to your friends, who are in this industry, and understand how it works. It is very, very important to be resourcefulness. So the fourth aspect was cost and resourcefulness. The fifth aspect, which I talked about, which is very, very event for a pre-event journey or an event proposal, is your master checklist. Your master checklist constitutes of all the aspects that you need in an event, whether you need a flower or you need that bus or you need that stage or you need that LED screen or you need that AV or you need invites, creative, any aspect of event should be part of that checklist. That checklist help you ask relevant question to your customer. Once you ask your relevant question to your customer, there is a very famous saying which says a lot can happen over conversation. That element sheet can help you engage in that conversation with your customer so that you have all the details. These details will help you create right presentation and deliver an extraordinary event at the right price. So this checklist has value to create a presentation. The checklist has value in creating the cost sheet. The checklist has enormous value in creating the final experience. The last but not the least, how you weave that event, how you think that event, how you plan that event, how you live that event is very, very important for an event proposal. Now, the event or the execution or the final delivery of your ideas should have a lot of elements. It should give the desired message. If it's a launch, it should talk about the features. For example, I'm launching a car. If I'm launching a car, I should talk about engine strength, the mobility of the car, its effectiveness, mileage if it's in that particular segment, what kind of engine I have, what kind of RPM, technology, lighting, comfort, etc. that I have in a car. If I'm launching a phone, that I should talk about megapixel of my camera, storage, uh, my processor, 8 GB, 16 GB, 124, and the technology and the other features which are unique to this particular phone. So if I'm locked in, so that it is very, very important to give the desired message for that particular event. That is what I'm doing. If it is a wedding, then the desired message is those emotions, those memories which are for the lifetime. Create that value and emotions and memories which stays with your customer forever. If it's a small national conference or a regional conference, then maybe if motivation is a desired message, if I'm talking, for example, if it's AGM, at annual general meeting, I'm supposed to tell my shareholders what has my company done in last 1 year in a very clear manner. What is the growth story in a very clear manner. That clarity is the main concept. So whatever is the first aspect. So the first aspect is we deliver what is desired, which is the messaging. The second aspect, which is and all these aspects are very, very important, is the engagement. How we engage our audience. Is it a conference? Is it a wedding or a launch? How we engage our audience, because this engagement will lead to the messaging. Now people will, so retention is derivative or directly proportionate to attention. The message will only be taken by audience if they are engaged in the rightful manner. If they are not engaged, they will not get the message. The engagement comes from how clear is my presentation, what is in my LED size, what is my overall look and feel. The third aspect is entertainment. It's nothing can be more exciting and learning at times. Entertainment is the key which can lock all the locks. Entertainment works everywhere, whether it's big Bollywood awards or a launch party or a wedding. Entertainment helps us everywhere. Entertainment is very, very important. Entertainment will help us get the desired message and engagement. So, and then fourth important aspect is how are we fabricating the event? How are we creating that event? So friends, learners, these are the 6 key features which are very, very important in creating an event proposal. An event proposal, like I said earlier, can make or break the things. It is very, very important to understand the requirement, the brief. Sometimes your client doesn't tell you the full story. You have to get the full story from your research, from your market intelligence, from what they've done in the past. Once you know what they want, weave the magic in such a way that you deliver the right messaging. I hope this could be meaningful to all of you. I give you an exercise here. Pick up any event, any large, that could be IPL opening, that could be any awards night, that could be any big wedding of maybe a film star and a cricketer. Pick up any big event from YouTube. After you pick up the event, please go backward. Go backward. You have see the complete event. See the event at least twice. If it is 1 hour video, or 2 hour video, 3 hour video, please see it twice so to see the finer aspect of it. Once you see the complete event, try and create a brief document. From brief, then start the journey backward. From brief, you come to brainstorming. From brainstorming, come to present. So create your own brief, do your own brainstorming, create your own presentation, create your own checklist, create a cost sheet, and then create the final event, which is closer to the video that you've already seen. So I'm saying this is a very interesting exercise. Pick up an event and live this journey backward. By living this journey backward, you will understand the finer aspect of creating an event proposal. Thank you so much. Wonderful talking to you all.